Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a broken golf shaft. First, gather all your necessary tools and materials, including a new shaft, epoxy, and a heat gun. Next, prepare your workspace to ensure safety and efficiency. Finally, understand the basic steps involved before you begin the actual repair process. This preparation will make the entire task much smoother and more successful. To begin, you'll need to apply heat to the club head's hosel using a heat gun. This softens the old epoxy, allowing you to carefully pull the broken shaft out. Once the shaft is removed, thoroughly clean the inside of the hosel. Ensure all old epoxy residue is gone for a strong bond with the new shaft. This step is crucial for a successful repair. Now, inspect the club head's hosel one more time to ensure it's completely free of any debris. Next, lightly sand the tip of your new golf shaft. This creates a rough surface, which is essential for the epoxy to adhere properly. Finally, mix your two-part epoxy according to the manufacturer's instructions, ensuring it's thoroughly combined for maximum strength. With your epoxy mixed, apply it evenly to both the sanded tip of the new shaft and the inside of the club head's hosel. Carefully insert the new shaft, twisting slightly to ensure even epoxy distribution. Make sure the shaft is fully seated. Finally, allow the epoxy to cure completely, typically for 24 hours, before using your newly repaired golf club.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.